Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel we going over 3 things you need in the description of every YouTube video you upload. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon world. Now I'm sharing this information because a lot of people get started off on YouTube and they don't realize how much money you can make on YouTube or the full potential of this platform, with it being one of the biggest websites on the internet. And even big YouTubers, they still don't, capitalize on all of the tactics that you can use. They think that YouTube revenue is enough, and it is sometimes, but YouTube is such a big platform that it allows you to create multiple sources of income. So when you creating videos, no matter if you're able to get paid from it or not, this is 3 things you need in the description of every video. So make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, on my YouTube video, right now we're looking at the back end of one of my videos. This video was called Attract 100,000. Watching this video daily. I uploaded May 2nd, and it did pretty good. But in the description of every video, I have certain affiliate links, and in this video I want to teach y'all about those affiliate programs so you can go ahead and sign up. I also have links in the description to this video to help you get started with everything I'm talking about. Now, one link you need, or one affiliate program you need to be with, I feel like off top, is Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates allows you to promote every product on Amazon, any product you want. You could actually have a whole channel dedicated to product reviews. You could order stuff on Amazon and review the product at your home in your own place of comfort, and have the affiliate link so people that's watching that content can go buy the product, and you can start a whole business off of that. There's people making hundreds of thousands every month, off of promoting Amazon products. We know Amazon is one of the biggest retailers in the game. They closed down so many department stores, just based off of the volume and the income Amazon is bringing. So Amazon, billions of dollars worth of untapped potential, when you want to bring in money. And when we're talking about posting videos on YouTube will basically be here as long as the internet around. As long as the internet around, YouTube will be here. So creating content on YouTube is more valuable than, let's say, like Instagram, you know what I'm saying, or like a mobile app where only a certain amount of people go on. YouTube is a much bigger platform, and having links in the videos, in the description of your videos here, somebody can find it a year from now, 2 years from now, and it'll still be bringing you income, based on the activity, the clicks, the actions they take on your link. Now, another link you need, or another affiliate program you need in your descriptions of the YouTube, is ClickBank. Now, you can sign up with ClickBank. I've been a member of ClickBank for years, and see how ClickBank works. They have a marketplace. So the marketplace is broken down in different categories, and you can, based on your niche or based on what you're talking about in your video, you can find certain products in ClickBank related to that, and then you can promote them in your description to, in turn gain commissions on sales if anybody goes through and buys through your affiliate link. And like I said, these videos that you make on YouTube are going to be up here forever, basically. And when you have active links in your description, at any point in time, somebody can come and support you and click on your link and buy something from you, in turn getting you more independence and getting you more financial freedom. And all off of action you made months ago. You may have made the video years ago, then it blows up, it goes viral, and not only are you receiving tons of thousands of dollars in YouTube revenue, but you just received extra income in your affiliate program because you posted affiliate links. Now, another big affiliate platform you should check out is Max Bounty. Max Bounty is the biggest affiliate program network in the United States, and made a lot of people millionaires. You know what I'm saying? People are using Max Bounty. I've made videos about Max Bounty that y'all can check out on my page, but people are running ads on Max Bounty all the time. You may have clicked on a Max Bounty ad and not even known it, but Max Bounty is very big. It has a very trusted network, and a lot of people rely on Max Bounty and it to make them money and for affiliate programs. Now, I have different links like Smart URL, because when you go to these sites, these affiliate programs, they give you this long, drawn out. Let me see if I can find one, but I'm not trying to get too off topic. But they give you a long, drawn out link, and you basically just want to shorten your link. And to shorten those links, I use Smart URL. It just looks professional. You can add, your own tag at the end, so it makes it look cleaner, and you want it to look clean. With Amazon, when you are on Amazon and you find different products on Amazon, in the top right hand corner, you'll be able to, automatically shorten your links. I have a video also about that on my page that you can check out. Now, another thing you want to have in your description is something else related to you or your brand. With me, it's music. I do music, so I always put in an Apple Music link. But with Smart URL, the listener, you could choose Apple Music, you could choose Spotify, you could choose YouTube, you could choose SoundCloud. I have it set up so, when somebody clicks on that link and they want to listen to my music, they can already go to the platform they prefer. And my music is available on all of those platforms. And every time somebody listens to my songs for at least 30 seconds, I get paid. And that's with any streaming. Whenever you stream something over 30 seconds, the provider or the content creator gets paid. So that's another way, because music streaming is blowing up. Music streaming is one of the biggest things popping right now. Music, digital streaming sales surpass physical sales, I think it happened like 2 years ago, but ever since then, it's been gaining more and more money just via streams, because now every listen counts. You know what I'm saying? In the past, you may have bought an album, went home and listened to it 1,000 times, but the artist was only paid for that initial transaction, that initial $12, that $15 you spent on the album. That's all. But when you went home and played it over and over and over again, they weren't paid for that. But how it works now is once you buy the song and then you play it over and over and over and over again, now they get paid not only for the buy, but every stream of that. So streaming is big and it can get you a lot of money. And I'm gonna always create music and add it into my description to let people know, I make music. That's my way of promoting myself, by providing value first. Like, I don't want to just put, everything up on y'all, but you provide value first, then people fuck with that, and then they, check out everything else you into. So it's a lot of value on my channel, Young World. I provide the most value. I try to wake up every day. Wanting to provide value in different videos. So another tool I use is vidIQ. In the link in my description, you can see a tool to grow your YouTube channel. vidIQ doesn't have an affiliate program, so I post a TubeBuddy link, which is as good as vidIQ. I just had vidIQ downloaded first, but TubeBuddy is a tool that allows you to, see this back end. Now you'll be able to see your SEO score, and whenever you put tags in on a video, it'll show you how those tags rank, and it'll give you, you want this to be above 50 at all times, but it'll show you the keywords that rank the highest for you. And if you upgrade, it'll show you even more, and it'll show you all of the top keywords, and I'm definitely thinking about upgrading, just to maximize and further optimize my channel on Young World. But you need a video optimizer like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and that's something once you have, you promote to other YouTubers. You need to promote that in the description just so people know, that this is how you do it. And a lot of this information I'm teaching you, a lot of YouTubers won't teach you. Like they probably use it, or some YouTubers don't use this information. You'll look in descriptions and then you don't see, them using affiliate programs. But on bigger channels, like massive channels, that's how I learned. Just learn from different channels. Like this one channel had Amazon links. This one channel had music links. This one channel had affiliate marketing, max bounty links. So I just merge them all together and do something that works for me. And I make a list. Like you should have a default description, and this is my default description right here. And I have my business email. I have all of my affiliate links and the equipment I use. That's a good way to use for Amazon. You just put all of the equipment you use to make your videos. You save that on a memo pad, on a Word document, and whenever you need it, or you could even preset it in your YouTube settings and your channel settings. You could preset it on your upload defaults, and have it automatically in there every time you upload a video. So it's your boy Yon World. I hope I provided a lot of value for y'all. If you getting started on YouTube, this is what you need to know. Sometimes it takes people a long time to figure this out, and it took me a minute. Like I had my channel over 4 years, and just this year I'm finding, my flow with YouTube. So yeah, it's your boy Young World. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment. Thank you for watching. Peace.